Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Ensure your iPhone is charged, backed up, and you know your Apple ID password. Once done, force quit the problematic app by swiping up or double-clicking the Home button and swiping the app away. This clears memory state. Then open Settings and navigate straight to the App Settings or General right arrow iPhone storage to locate the app. You do this to avoid data loss and to target the app specifically rather than performing a full device restore. You now perform the central reset. Choose Offload App if you want to keep documents and data but refresh the app binary. This reinstalls without touching stored files. If corruption persists, delete the app completely to remove caches and binaries, then restart your iPhone to clear system caches. Once the device boots, reinstall from the App Store. Make sure to sign back in and permit necessary permissions. Doing so restores a clean app state and resolves most persistent crashes or sync errors. Finally, verify settings. Open Settings right arrow Privacy and check app permissions. Ensure background app refresh and network access are enabled if needed. Once done, test the app comprehensively. Sign in, use key features, and sync data. If problems continue, reset network settings or clear keychain entries for that app. This addresses connectivity and credential faults. If none of that helps, contact app support or Apple. Make sure to restore a backup only when necessary to prevent reintroducing corrupted data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.